Hello viewers, hope all of you are doing well. Guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Guys, today I also want to discuss a very important component of the building construction called as the footing. Guys, this video is also very important and will, as the time going, this becomes very interesting topic. Let's talk about footing. What is footing? Footings are an important part of foundation construction. They are typically made of concrete with the rebar reinforcement that has been poured into an excavated trench. The purpose of footing is to support the foundation and prevent settling. Footings are especially important in the area with troublesome soil. Guys, we came to know about the definition of the footings and its importance in the building. Guys, this is a very important part of or element of building. We should know because most of people mix this thing with the foundation and footings. Doesn't know some people the difference between the footings and the foundation. Now it's clear the footing is an important part of foundation construction. They are typically made of the reinforcement rebars that has been poured into the excavated trench. That purpose of footing is to support the foundation. The purpose of the footing is to support the foundation. Guys, this is important term. What is footing and its type? Footings, the lowest load-bearing part of the building, typically below the ground level, is called as a footing. As previously I talked, the footings support the foundation. This here also the lowest load-bearing part of the building, typically below the ground, is called as a footing. Types of footing: there are three main type of footing or foundation: strip footing, raft or called mat sometime also, raft or fat footings, isolated or pad footing, footings. Guys, this was the three types of the footings. One is strip footing, raft, mat footings, isolated or pad footing. Guys, what is the difference between the footing and the foundation? Or in short, say footings versus foundation difference. Guys, as you can see here, this is a stepped footing, like a stair, stepped footing. This is pedestal, column, pedestal, and this is a column. Guys, this is also an illustration of footings. You can see here. This is a footing. This is also a footing. This all three. Guys, here we have types of footings. See, this is a footing. This is also a footing, combined footing. This is all our footings. This is the difference between footing and foundation. This is footing, guys. This is foundation. Footings are support for foundation as per definition. This is also difference between the footing and foundation. We can see this is a column and this is the footings. Guys, we jumped into another part, which is the footing is a formation which is in contact with the ground. Foundation is a structure which transfer its gravity load to the earth from superstructure. Footing can be analogized with the feet of the leg. A footing is under foundation wall. Guys, what is the purpose of footing? Footings are the most important part of foundation construction. The footings, the purpose of footing is to support the foundation, prevent the settlement, and it is crucial to providing the proper support for the foundation and ultimately the structure. Guys, calculate steel for the footings. A size of the footing and its reinforcement details, rebar size and spacing shall be known. This can be achieved from design drawing. After that, the footings step by step taken to the compute steel quantity. Calculate steel quantity. Calculate the required number of bars for the both direction. Number of bars equal to L or W minus concrete cover for the both side divided by spacing plus 1. This is the main and important equation, guys. Number of bars is equal to L or W minus for the length of the footing or for the width of footing, V minus the concrete cover for the both side, divide by spacing. For example, somewhere it is 20 centimeters, somewhere 15 centimeters, 25, 30, it depends on the structure types of footing. Divide by spacing plus 1, this gives the where L or W length or width of footing, guys. Then find the length of one bar. How to find the length of one bar? Length of bar is equal to L or W minus concrete cover for the both side plus 2 into bend length. This is another important equation, guys. This is length of bar and this was the number of bars. This is length of bar. Guys, after that compute the total length of the bar, which is equal to the number of the required bars multiplied by the length of the bar. If the same size of bar is used in the both direction, then you can sum up both the quantities of the bars. Convert the length into the kilogram or ton. That this can be done by the multiplying cross section area of the steel by its total length by density of the steel, which is 7850 kilogram per cubic meter. Guys, this is very important question, many times asked in the exam and interview. This question, guys, ask many times, what is the density of the steel rebars? Density of steel is 7850 kg per meter cube. It means one cubic meter of the steel, the weight is 7850 kgs. The above calculation procedure is for the single reinforcement. Therefore, the footings with the double reinforcement, the same procedure need to be used again to compute the steel quantity for another reinforcement. Guys, this was a quick introduction on the footings, types of footings, purpose of footings, difference between the foundation and footing. We discussed each and everything here. Guys, I request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for the more updates. Guys, this your support really help me and encourage me motivate me for making the better videos. Thank you guys. Have a nice time. Bye bye.